Cameroun Delight, c'est la matinale d'infos sur les antennes de la CRTV et CRTV News. Cameroun Delight spécial en mode anniversaire. Aujourd'hui, notre chaîne d'information en continu souffle sa 3e bougie. Évidemment, c'est une occasion de célébration, célébrer l'existence de cette chaîne qui est venue relever un défi de contenu dans le paysage audiovisuel camerounais de façon générale, une touche particulière et aussi une ambition qui ne cesse de se déployer sous le magistère du management de la CRTV conduit par le directeur général Charles Ndongo. Alors on dit CRTV News et on entend news forcément. C'est une chaîne d'infos en continu, l'info étant donc son essence première. Et la chaîne a bâti l'ensemble de sa grille des programmes autour des rendez-vous d'information et prioritairement les journaux télévisés. Il y en a 10 au moins, une bonne dizaine, entre l'ouverture d'antenne et la fermeture, jusqu'à 19h en tout cas, lorsque la chaîne rend son autonomie, pour ainsi dire, pour prendre en relais les grandes éditions du soir sur la CRTV, le 7:30 News et le 20h30. Mais entre 9h et 19h, qui sont donc les heures d'autonomie d'information de CRTV News, une bonne dizaine de rendez-vous d'information ponctués par des bulletins d'information à la demi sont proposés à nos téléspectateurs. Et ce matin, Karès Sessiane refait le conducteur des JT sur CRTV News.
Il est 9h à Santou et vous regardez le journal.
C'est le premier des 10 journaux quotidiens de CRTV News. Le 9h. Il dure 10 minutes et est présenté en langue française. Première vitrine de l'actualité sur la chaîne, il donne les informations de dernière minute et revient sur les faits majeurs de la veille. C'est également la tribune d'annonce des rendez-vous importants de la journée en cas d'édition spéciale, par exemple. Il est suivi 20 minutes plus tard du bulletin d'information, 3 minutes chrono pour vous donner l'essentiel de l'actualité en français et en anglais. Le bulletin d'information sur CRTV News, c'est toutes les demi-heures. Il y en a 5 au total, jusqu'à 14h30. The 10 AM News.
Thanks for joining us. A colloquium organized by
C'est le premier journal en anglais sur la chaîne. Il donne, comme le 9h, l'essentiel de l'actualité du jour et de la veille. Les journaux, de 10 minutes chacun, sont alternés du français à l'anglais à chaque heure jusqu'à 14h, avant l'entrée en scène du grand journal Société. Le 15h.
3 p.m. in Yaoundé, political capital.
C'est le premier grand format de l'actualité sur la chaîne. Il est bilingue et dure 30 minutes. Il fait la part belle aux grands événements du jour et est très souvent ponctué de stand-up des reporters sur le terrain. À 16h, place à l'actualité hors de nos frontières. Le journal international, autre grand format d'actualité dure 30 minutes. Il oscille de lundi à vendredi, de l'anglais au français.
17h à Yaoundé.
À 17h, Cameroun Today vous donne pendant 30 minutes le pool de l'actualité sur l'ensemble du territoire national. Il feuillette les faits marquants dans les 10 régions du pays. Les 2 derniers journaux sur CRTV News sont le 18h et le 19h. Ils ont la particularité de ponctuer le prime time de la chaîne, l'émission Twilight.
Voilà, revisiter les propositions, les éditions de journaux sur notre antenne CRTV News. Si vous découvrez cette chaîne, c'est une chaîne d'infos en continu qui a lancé ses premier programme le 28 janvier 2018. Karès Sessiane a terminé là avec un grand rendez-vous. C'est sans doute le plus grand rendez-vous d'information sur l'antenne CRTV News. On va en parler tout à l'heure dans un reportage qui nous sera proposé par Annabella Tabinto. Mais j'ai le plaisir déjà de recevoir sur ce plateau Moki Edwin Kinzeka, qui est la figure de Twilight. Good morning.
Good morning, Evelyn.
Thank you for being there.
And happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you too. Thank you. You're part of us. You are anchoring one of the biggest news magazine on CRTV News. Can you, in just a nutshell, present what Twilight is? Twilight
is that program that handles topical news issues of the day, and that's what the challenge is. Yesterday, there was an accident at Sianchu in the West region, and the evening you expect Twilight to come back to it. What happened? Who were there? Who are those involved? What has the government done? Updates in the time, and it gives more opportunity for people to explain, to get the background information about the what actually happened. That is the first segment, a major issue. It is more informative than debative, because at times it is good for people to take note. What do I do when there's an accident? What do I do when there's this? You know, most of the times people have debate programs where they sit and argue, animate the gallery. At the end of the day, you say, this man spoke well. Ask him what did he say. I said, I don't know what he said.
Keep anything from what he said. Yes.
But with Twilight, you go back keeping notes. How would you see a blind person crossing the road? What does he do when he's crossing the road? These are the information, this is the type of information we give in the program Twilight, you know.
So I see you used to work with guests. You have to have guests on your set, and I imagine it's not easy to have somebody, an expert in a domain, whatever it is, to come on the set.
That is a challenge. You would imagine that if at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, there's an accident concerning a blind man, and you need a blind man to be on the set. Where do you get one from at that time? If there's something concerning, you know, the economic community of Central African State that just happened, maybe heads of state were meeting as they did, how do you do it? But thank God, because of the collaboration we have at CRTV News, at times I call you, Evelyn, I say, Director, what do I do now? And then you try to go through your candidate address, and you have people who could invite. That's the way we've been surviving. Evelyn wouldn't mind. We have had guest kings and queens. We have had, the highest authorities of the land, some of them, or representatives on the program Twilight. We've also had the least person on the street. It is the tribune of the people. They come to express their views. Motorcycle riders have been here. Ministers have been there. Traditional rulers have been here. Remember during the national dialogue? Sure. We had our own national dialogue here on the set because people were giving what they thought as information here, and there was a hotline at the Prime Minister's office. They said, propose it. They came here, we told them, they gave the information, and the next day the people came and told us, Moki, do you know what happened? We had our own dialogue here. We gave our proposals to the Prime Minister's office, and they have attended to. That's what Twilight is able to do.
So you're also making the news, we can say it.
Of course, yes, because people watch, people listen, and it goes that way, Evelyn.
And you have is something that is very special to Twilight, a little window open on the regions.
Yes, because the information, what is happening in Cameroon, is not only in Yaoundé. It is happening at the regions. So we have our reporters who are based at the regions, and we start to first of all call them. How was your region? Depending on the information we got from the regions, which one was very topical. So we call our reporters. I must thank the station managers of all of the 10 regional stations of CRTV for always being there when we call the reporters to explain. Like a few weeks back, there was a spillover of the crisis in CAR on Cameroon territory. Our reporters were on the field. 2,000 truck drivers blocked in Garwa Bulai. Cameroonians need to know what is happening. Some of the drivers were killed. What happened? Some were escorted. What happened? You call maybe an Elvis Gimeyong in the south, and he's there to answer the call. I think that is what makes also Twilight to be very thick.
Okay, Moki, before I let you go, maybe a last tricky question. Now that CRTV News is celebrating 3 years of its existence, and what can you say to your viewers? What do you think you can be your touch, the new touch you will bring to Twilight? Will you just continue? I mean, just
no.
Yes, to do whatever you're doing.
When a baby is born, you have to crawl. There is that period to crawl, breastfeed, and so on. You start eating. Yes. So I think the baby is now 3 years old.
Yes.
You should be able to move faster. What do I mean by moving faster? It is time we start looking at what to do ahead. It is the People's Tribune. People should come.
Okay.
We are able to receive you. Nobody should say, I'm not part of the program.
Put aside,
We've had even the Anglophones in diaspora, the hardliners who come and participate directly from Europe in the program. So it is open. But one thing I'll ask hierarchy, ask management, is to also create a window where people can ask questions live, where people can call in, maybe 5-10 minutes.
Make it interactive.
Issues. Make it interactive. Not the whole program, because when you do the whole program, we'll be able to disturb some of the people from expressing their views. But we could say the last 10 minutes of the program should be interactive, should be where people could call who are not able to be at the set, on the set, to call and ask questions. I think that would be better. And for the commitment also, God has given us the strength. We should be happy about that. So we shall be present, and we shall answer the call whenever we're asked to.
Thank you so much, Moki Edwin Kindzeka, for being with us. I should recall that you are one of the you know, the big presenters of Twilight. Twilight is our daily rendezvous on news every day. So you meet either Moki Edwin Kinzeka or Giselle Ongene, who are sitting here every day from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Thank you for being with us and celebrating with us.
Merci, Evelyn. Thanks for the bilingualism also.
We're just trying our best. Now, let us just look at those magazines program on the channel. Apart from Twilight, what can you watch on CRTV as magazine? We've talked about the news editions. What about magazine apart from Twilight? Let's follow these reports by Annabella Tabinto.
From 6 a.m. to 9 a.m., Cameroon Daylight is the program that gives you a head start on what's happening in Cameroon and around the world. The bilingual breakfast program is one of the major rendezvous on CRTV News.
Et entre autres, nous aurons aujourd'hui prévu le départ ou l'arrivée de Tara à Douala. Tara, la mascotte du Chan.
Created in 2018 and first anchored by Diane Gassa and now by Gladys Libuda, Cameroon Daylight handles news topics from all social constructs, press reviews, the day's agenda, top stories and 2 newscasts.
Jusqu'au 15 janvier, si j'ai réussi le concours d'entrée en 2021, bien sûr.
En tout cas, c'est la prière que je fais pour vous.
Merci infiniment.
After a day of news editions characterized by 1-minute reports, the program Twilight is time for a more detailed analysis of the news of the day.
Twilight is that program that handles topical news issues of the day. What do I mean? What happens in Cameroon this day? How are you going to handle it? If it happens in the northwest, southwest, east, center, south, how do you handle it in the evening that same day? And have the guests who come and explain what has happened today.
Talking about what they should return before they leave the screen is that they should be informed and they should be able to say, I've discovered something new. Something new may be the information. It could be the resource person, because Cameroon is full of talented people. But if you come on Twilight, watch Twilight, you can discover new faces. You can discover some other members of Cameroon intelligentsia.
But the preparation and presentation of Twilight isn't without its challenges.
The challenges have to do with the means, the financial means, the equipment, the human resources. You know, you're doing Twilight. The program is 1 hour 30 minutes. You have to do it. It must be done. It was an appointment with the people. If you come and certain segments are not done, what do? If you call people and they don't come because you don't have a means of coming, who would you blame? Because you call some deaf and dumb, you call some blind people, they say they don't have transport, they want to participate. How do you do it? At times, you fall into conflict with hierarchy because you think the topic you're proposing is not the best to be handled that day. But one thing is very good, that in spite of these challenges, in spite of the difficulties, the program has been there with lots of people from far and near calling.
As the flagship programs of the channel turns 3 this January, its growing audience can continue to expect improvements and better content.